Hey people, well here's a fan I've had for a long while but never got around to filming for YouTube. Well, this is the last fan that I've had for a while that I'm now finally being able to put on YouTube. This is a 1960s era Superlectric Model 2067S. Of the three Superlectrics I still have, this is the one that has metal blades. This is like one of the first metal bladed box fans I've had or have owned. The first one was another one of these. It was an avocado, but it wasn't in nice as condition as this one is. So y'all remember, it was all rusty and stuff. I got that one from Torial's. But sometime after I got this one, I decided I didn't need two of those, so I gave the rusty one I had to my friend the fan mower man. You know, sometime after it went to him, its motor started going bad. And then he gave it to my other friend Rusty Bearing 45, and sometime after it went to him, its motor shot out a big ball of fire. Yeah, but thank goodness I now have this one. And it's my first, also my first box fan, or actually my second box fan to have a Venturi. The Superlectric I had before this was the first one I had that had a Venturi ring. As you can see, especially by the look of the blade hub, Superior Electric Corporation, maker of Superlectric, kind of tried to copy off of McGraw-Edison. Not just there, but on the handle too, but slightly different design. Yeah, the hub looks almost similar, but it's still a somewhat different design. Most notably, the shape of the blades. Now these blades are more oval shaped, while the McGraw-Edison blades are more round. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's that nice aqua color. Same as that one plastic bladed boxer I have. And there's the other side. Turn around to the back. And as you can see, it's got the same kind of motor as the other one. Except this one's not thermally protected, since from the 60s. I think this one has a longer shaft to it. Turn this back around. Here's the top. And it's got a $50 tag on it. I don't know why that's there. And it's also got this little green sticker. Here's the handle. almost like the McGraw-Edison fans, but this one has more trapezoidal endings to it, or whatever you call them. Well, actually, I think the difference with those and McGraw is that these are kind of flat on the ends. The McGraw-Edison ones are kind of a little, probably kind of more half hex shape, kind of. Same style handle. Yeah, it still has their, yet the Superlectric still have their own style switch. And there's the speed tag, kind of a wood grain style. Here's the model number 2067S. Superlectric. The model numbers for these metal bladed box fans, I believe, were as such. First there was the model, or at least the basic models anyway. First there was the model 2065, which is a standard 2-speed model with no venturi. Then there was 2066, which is 3 speeds just like this, but still no venturi ring. And then there's this model, the 2067, 3 speeds with the venturi ring, or shroud. So now we'll run this. Oh, and all speeds on this seem to be pretty fast. Here's high. And as you would expect, it does throw out a good bit of air. There's medium. Hardly seems to be much of a difference between the high and the medium speeds. And here's low. Which of course is still running pretty fast. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. As you can see, though it goes down for a good while, it still kind of stops abruptly. Tried everything to align the bearings really good, but that's about as good as I could get them. So there you have it, my 1960s Superlectric Model 2067S. Thank you for watching.